right, Lipscomb's green group. We have C, C, D, E, F, E, D, C. That's actually not bad. C, C, D, E, F, E, D, C. Okay. C, C, D, C, C, D, E, F, E, D, C. I like that. I like that. Now, I would say that this makes a great melody line. Okay? That's my opinion. All right? So I like this for melody. Bass really wouldn't be a good option, only because when you have neighboring notes like this on bass you're going to find that it gets very muddy. Actually, this first measure would not sound bad, but this would sound very muddy, and you would be wondering, what is wrong? Just take it from me. Now, where do you go from here? Well, you have a couple of options. For your melody, let's see. Oh, I see what you did. C, C, D, E, F, E, D, C. All right. Now, if you liked what I played before, I made a mistake, but you may want to keep this mistake, which I do that all the time. Rather than playing F, E, D, C, how about F, D, E, C? All right. That might be an option for you to have, just to make it a little bit more interesting. Yeah, you can play that. That makes it, gives it a little bit more flavor, make it sound a little bit more complicated. That way you're not just going straight up and then down. You actually have some, a little skip there. Let me erase that line so you don't think that I'm scratching out your work. Okay, so that's an option that you can do. Let me think if there's anything else. Now, here's another option. If you want to make it a harmony line, a vegetable line, you could stick stick a skip up there, like you have C here, but you can also make that an E, so make it a double stop. C, C, and then D and F, E and G, F and A. And you could, let me erase this real quick so you can see it better. E and G, D and F, and C and E. That would sound like this. Here we go. So that would be a good harmony line. It's a little more difficult only because of the double stops. But really, I think anyone in your group could master that little line. And you wouldn't need to do the little trip that I put in there. You could keep the ED just to make it go a little bit easier for you. But that's a cool harmony as well. Okay, so what I'd like for you to do is first off, decide on notes. Do you want this to be a melody or do you want it to be a harmony? Makes no difference at this point, just pick a line. And then once you do that, I want everyone to play it 4 times through with 0 to 2 mistakes. And then we're going to watch a brief video on how to build your next line based on the harmony. All right, so I don't want you to skip ahead and start writing another line, because I'm going to tell you how and how you can make sure that it actually matches this line here. Okay? Good luck.